Today, we're counting down the top 15 vehicles that will shape the 2026-2027 model years. Exciting new rides blending performance, tech, efficiency, and style. Number 1. 2026 Toyota Highlander. The next-generation Toyota Highlander steps fully into the hybrid era. Toyota's dropping pure gasoline options and going all hybrid for this family-friendly three-row SUV. Expect a choice between an upgraded 2.5-liter hybrid setup or the more powerful Hybrid Max system with a turbo 2.4-liter engine delivering up to 362 horsepower.
Number 2. 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Honda's best-selling CR-V Hybrid continues to prioritize smooth, reliable daily driving. Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder plus two electric motors making 204 HP, it delivers relaxed performance and up to 40 mpg combined, front-wheel drive. Pricing starts around $37,000 and tops out near $43,600. New standard 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and improved traction control make it even more practical for families and commuters. Number 3. 2026 Toyota RAV4. The redesigned RAV4 goes hybrid only as well. No more gas-only models. Standard Hybrid offers 226 to 236 HP, while the plug-in version pumps out around 320 HP and up to 50 miles of electric range. Towing stays strong at up to 3,500 pounds. New sporty GR Sport and adventure-ready Woodland trims join the lineup. Expect pricing from roughly $34,000 to $51,000 with modern interiors and big screens. Number 4. 2026 Ford Mustang. The iconic Mustang proves gas-powered muscle cars aren't dead yet. Choose coupe or convertible, turbo 2.3L EcoBoost, classic 5.0L V8 GT, or track-focused Dark Horse. A retro-inspired FX package adds heritage styling. Quick acceleration, sharper handling, and a tech-loaded cabin with huge digital screens keep it relevant. Starting around $34K, topping $70K loaded. Number 5. 2026 Subaru Outback. Subaru's adventure wagon gets a full redesign, taller, bolder, and more SUV-like. Two Boxer engines return, 180 horsepower 2.5L and 260 horsepower turbo 2.4L, both with standard AWD. Bigger screens, advanced driver aids, and clever cargo solutions, including rooftop tent support, make it perfect for outdoor lifestyles. Pricing likely $33,000 to $42,000. Number 6. 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The legendary G-Wagon keeps its boxy, military-inspired look, but adds mild hybrid tech to the 443-horsepower supercharged inline-six. Unmatched off-road ability, luxury interior with dual 12.3-inch screens, and prices starting at $155,000 cement its status symbol position. Number 7. 2025/2026 Mazda 3. Mazda's stylish compact, sedan, or hatch remains one of the best driving cars in its class. 191 horsepower base engine or 250 horsepower turbo, available AWD, premium interior, and excellent fuel economy. Prices $25K to $37K. A driver's car that punches above its weight. Number 8. 2026 Toyota Hilux. The global tough truck gets a heavy refresh, bolder honeycomb grille, new C-shaped taillights, upgraded interior screens, and continued 2.8-liter turbo diesel with 48V mild hybrid assistance. Built to keep its reputation for unbreakable reliability. Number 9.
2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. This compact crossover gains subtle styling tweaks, larger 10.5-inch screen, optional 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and keeps its efficient 196 horsepower AWD hybrid powertrain, 42 miles per gallon. Affordable pricing around $30 to $34K makes it a smart daily driver. Number 10, 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Mid-size luxury SUV with smooth turbo engines, 255 to 504 horsepower, optional air suspension, quiet premium cabin, and available third row. Refreshed colors and standard AMG styling on higher trims. Pricing $63,000 to $95,000. Number 11, 2026 Toyota Corolla. America's favorite compact gets minor updates, plus a limited-run Retro FX hatchback edition, only 1,600 units. Hybrid models hit 50 miles per gallon city. Gas versions offer peppy 169 horsepower. Safety and tech remain strong. Starts around $25,000 gas and $31,000 hybrid.